So OnePlus is all ready to launch a powerful device which can give a tough competition to Samsung S22 Ultra, Xiaomi Mi 12 and Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, you got it right, the OnePlus 10 Pro will have some awesome specifications, and this time they are focusing on cameras and unified OS. Best part is they are switching to a new design, and Hasselblad collaboration is happening, not limited to color science anymore, but sensor and lenses too. This along with Qualcomm's flagship 8 Gen 1 CPU, Adreno 730 GPU and a 5000 mAh massive battery. This all is exciting, but some latest news coming in from Max J may disappoint us all. So OnePlus is planning for a China exclusive launch in Jan or Feb, and then after a few months they plan to launch it in the US or UK. Now this is something shocking cause OnePlus has always followed Apple and Samsung in terms of launch events, like launching devices at same time all over. Yeah, I hope this is not true cause this shows OnePlus is like any other Chinese brand who is prioritizing their home country first. Something we see in Xiaomi, Oppo and Vivo. My thoughts on this may be a false news cause my sources says all variants are in testing phase, mass production is gonna start as early as next month, so I'm not seeing any news like this. I had a conversation with Yogesh who knows a lot about these devices, he hadn't heard anything like this from his sources too. So yes, again not sure, but Max is reliable. So if they are planning for an exclusive China launch for such a main flagship, this is gonna disappoint us all. Some news from China on standard OnePlus 10 non-Pro variant. This device is gonna have a similar design language like OnePlus 10 Pro, but with flat edges, a single punch hole, same squarish Samsung S21 like camera module, toned down display resolution which is now 1080p, a small battery size, charging speed and not so many cameras. The highlight of this device is of course Snapdragon 898 5G aka 8 Gen 1 CPU in action. So for those who want a phone at not so expensive tag and awesome performance, this OnePlus 10 non-Pro variant is the one you should pick. Yes, of course they'll make some differences in Pro versus non-Pro. You pay more and get max out specs. I'm all in for the Pro variant. This is the OnePlus Nord N25G aka Nord CE2 for India, US and UK. Here you guys can see it is having a boxy design like iPhone 12 series. We have flat edges, flat frame, a 6.4 inches flat display too. And the highlight of this device is two massive cameras likely of 48 megapixel each and a single small sensor. Here that is a filler for sure. Now on leak says this device runs Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G CPU, has Adreno 619 GPU and is based on 6nm process. So a mediocre device with premium design. This all guys, OnePlus got big plans, and your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.